National Training Purnima. Today I am with the topic of a smile. In my previous video, I discussed with you on passion, and in this, I am here for telling you about smile. A smile is a very good thing which we should always wear. One who wears a smile will always be happy. So we have to bring a smile on other people's faces. We will also feel very happy. Be on the happiest side. The happier people are those who are the giver, not the takers. Try to be happy and make others happy. In the time of Corona, many people have lost their lives. We regret for the families who have lost their loved ones. But our duty is to bring smile on their faces. It is very difficult in this time of anxiety, depression to bring a smile on other faces. But it's our prime duty to find out those people who are suffering, who have lost their loved ones, and we should try to make them happy, feel them happy, so they can again have a smile on their faces. A smile will take you to the abundance. A smile will take you to the miles. Smile as much as you can. Smile with no reason. A smile may not have the reason today, but a smile will bring you a reason for your later days. A smile will always add advantage to your life. A smile will never put you down. A smile is something which is always the giver. The more you are giving, the more you are receiving. It is made of small showers from the blessings of the God. It is a best thing the God has gifted us, which costs nothing. It gives you as much as you have breathed, this much you can spread in the world. So smile always with no reason. Smile always as much as you can. Thank you. Whenever we meet somebody who has lost anything in this world, maybe it is a materialistic thing or anything which cost them a lot. So try to help them with those things. If sometime we help somebody to get their lost thing, and when they get their lost thing, have you ever noticed how much a smile they get on their faces? Very much. But every time it is not easy to bring the lost thing, lost priceless things to them. So it becomes difficult to bring a smile on their faces. But as in people, we have to help them with the smile. In this time of Corona, many people are going towards anxiety, towards depression, because we are all alone, living in our own homes, not meeting with our friends, not meeting with people. So in this time, you see many people are getting low vibration in energy. They are getting feeling low energy. They are losing their hopes. They are thinking what to do with this life, how we going to excel. And the people who have lost their platform where they were before, and this time many of us are not getting the proper place where to get their life raised. So in all those things, a smile is getting out of our face. But it's our prime duty not to feel low, not to feel low vibrational in energy. You have to put your energy high and we have to smile as much as we can. And in this time, we have not to smile only for ourselves, we have to smile for others also, because this smile will not bring abundance in your life, it will bring abundance in other lives also, because we are connected with each other. When we see somebody smiling, we feel happy, and when we see others smiling, we also feel happy. So we are connected to each other, so we have to smile as much as we can. Thank you.